Ready to see what we can find at some yard sales today?
I'm so ready.
Let's see what they got. What they got. That's not a car.
So we were trying to figure out whether we wanted to go at an angle. Yeah, and at an angle to like.
And yes, it is.
So like something like maybe from like here.
What do you have on the jacket?
So that's a Carhartt, but it's got WM embolstered in it. But
Yeah.
you can cut it out if you wanted to.
Right.
Make me an offer.
I just didn't know what your ballpark was.
Maybe an offer. You know, Carhartts are pretty expensive. So.
I know. Just didn't want to offend you.
No, you won't offend me. I don't want to pack it back up and put it in that garage. So.
$20.
Let's do it.
Can do it? Yeah. Like it's cool.
Yeah.
There you go.
Cool. Thank you, sir.
Let's see what else you got.
Yeah.
You want it? Yeah, you'd have to ask my dad. I think he wanted like 5.
About $5 for all three of them.
Dad, how much do you want for the mattress?
What? Couple shallow metrics in there.
Cobalt.
Yeah. I'm sure I've got more. We've been going through it, and you know I got my whole Snap-on toolbox in there. So
What'd you have on your Cobalt battery charger?
So, you know that thing in the battery and charger is like $200 new. So I was trying to get $50 out of it. Make me an offer on it.
You did 40, it'd be a real quick flip. For 80.
I'll do 30.
If you did 40,
Yeah.
you could sell it for 80.
Okay.
It'd be really quick
So what we
flip,
did
but
was because we have all these
double
shelves.
the money. But 30 would be better, obviously.
All right, we do 30.
Yeah, let's do 30. Let's do 30. Work.
Yeah, I mean that's a nice Snap-on chest. Like I do storage unit auctions,
Okay.
and those will pop up every once in a while,
Yeah.
and they're not bad because what it is it'll be like an old mechanic shop.
Yep.
And if you got change, and you know they'll close the shop down, they throw it in there, and then they stop paying on it or whatever else happens. One went 3 10-foot double racks for $3,000.
Yeah.
And you're like, you know how much they are a piece.
Yeah. So so the green roll cart, the bottom. So that's an Epic 84. That's the biggest one you can get besides the pit box.
Yeah.
And that top hutch. So that was $60,000 right there.
Yeah.
Not including what I have in tools.
Right.
I call that my Ferrari. And everybody's like, why do you call it a Ferrari? I'm like, because I have $180,000 in tools
Yeah.
that I could have bought a Ferrari with.
And technically it's in your garage.
Yeah.
So it's a Ferrari in your
That's
garage.
what I say. Like,
Maybe. What is my size? How much for the shoes?
I think those are $5 a pair.
Okay.
If you have another price in mind, let me know.
Okay. Savannah Jane. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You know more than me.
I don't know how much the clothes are, but 2 different Savannah Jane tops.
Mm-hmm.
Happy with that.
As I said, they're worn down a little bit. Might actually just keep them.
Yeah, that'd be fine.
Oh, I need to see over here.
Yeah, I just wanted to see. It looks like more like jeans and stuff. If this potential is just right here, just pulling from the magnet. It's not the best shape, but
Think about it. It has a little backpack. Oh, it's a backpack.
Oh, Billabong Wrangler.
what?
Yeah.
Oh, those are cool
And
looking.
they're bell bottoms.
Oh, those are neat.
Yeah.
That's an interesting collab.
Mm-hmm.
What'd you have on the clothes? Jeans and 2 shirts.
The shirts were 2. These jeans I think were 3.
So 5, 5, 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That math,
Two
that math works
for-
for you guys. That's
okay.
a good one, honey.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
There we go.
Thank you so much.
No
Thank
problem.
you.
You too.
Hey, you have a good one.
How you doing, young man?
How's it going?
Pretty good. Had your deals today.
Oh,
Deals of a lifetime.
there we go.
I mean, if you don't have that exact size, I mean, it comes in handy, but.
Tools. A whole box of auto parts and stuff. $10, the whole box and all.
They are one-upping all of us, not just a macaroni necklace, but they like made a movie for their mom. Plus we got Tarian's mom and Josh Baldwin.
Yeah, I bought them from Colonial Curtains. Yeah, yeah, they were all I got some toppers on them. So that was just two doors.
All kinds of bearings and stuff in there.
Mine's longer, so I kind of, it's a big one. I like the color, because that's the color I'm thinking of going on.
What?
Was it the
This
come
is
here
a
look?
no. This is just Disney Hunchback of Notre Dame mattress.
Floor mattress. That's really cool.
I know.
Cool.
Don't need one for a Jeep.
Timex too. Oh, a Jeep one?
Oh yeah, let me see that one. I missed it.
That's an old one here. I don't know how old that is, but I'm not sure. Probably back in the 60s or something like that.
Yeah, because I was saying my dad had a old CJ7 that was in the 70s, and they already had the newer spell out. So yeah, this is probably
I'd say in the 50s or 60s.
yeah. Well, appreciate it. I don't know. This is kind of a. It's an oddity, but it's old.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna take this stuff. Who do I give the money to?
Me.
All right.
One in charge.
The one in charge? No. Totally didn't.
How random. This is 1995.
Mm-hmm.
And you know more than me if you wanted to. So,
Yeah, I mean, if I'm gonna do a whatnot show.
1997 DC Comics. 1996. You wanna see what she'll do for the whole thing?
Might be our last 20 bucks.
How much do we have?
20 bucks. We spent 10 at the last one.
4,
This is 3.75.
5, so that's 9.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay. Should we 10?
Will you do 10 for the whole thing? Yeah.
5 kids, huh?
Oh yeah. We got 3 of them.
2 boys and a girl.
Uh-huh. All right, so
I'll put this in a bag.
Those are
Okay.
separate. Those are hers.
okay.
That's hers.
That's hers. Okay.
Yeah, that's
Well, I got a 20, so I'll pay you first and get some change. 11 back. Yeah, that's fine.
10 for me.
All right. There you go, and then 10 to you. There you go. All right, back here at the house, and not a bad day yard sailing. We spent a total of $80, and I'm going to cover with you all the stuff we got because one item already paid for all those yard sales. That first stop, I was like, is it a Carhartt? I didn't think it was from the road. It kind of got my attention, but it was. I'll probably put a sold comp up here of what it'll go for because it's going in our all whatnot Carhartt show that'll probably be over by the time this video comes out. Hopefully I didn't take a big loss on it, but like I said, everything was paid for because of this Cobalt 40-volt battery with charger. This sold for $90 plus shipping, so covering the cost of the whole day. Really good pickup. Next little sale, we got these 2 Savannah Jane tops. My wife has picked this brand up a few times. If you get really cool designs, maybe up to like 30, 35. These we put up for 20 a piece. They'll do pretty good. And then these were really, really cool. Billabong Wrangler collab. And look at the bell bottoms on those. These are going for $50. And yes, the On Clouds, I've already been wearing them. They're my size. So a little perk of going to yard sales when you can find some shoes with a little bit of tread life on there that you can still wear. And then that very last sale, picked all these up. The Pinto one, I kind of tossed in our yard sale pile. I did realize when I got home, not a bad pickup for 75 cents each, but they were all a little issue. The Pinto had the broken horse. The Datsun, I think it's plastic and it's missing 2 of the pegs. I still put it up for like 14 free shipping. The Country Squire was supposed to be one piece, as I was learning. If this was one piece, you're looking at $100, $125. But believe it or not, I put these up for 40 together. People were selling this for 15 and this for 25. I think they liked the words separately, and it seems like it was a common issue. But then he did hand me this one, which I don't know the exact year. It was supposed to get mounted on something else. I do not know. I checked on that part number and everything, couldn't find anything, but I just threw it up for $40, and I'm already getting watchers on it. But then that brings me to what my wife found at the last minute, these toys. We will be doing a toy whatnot show. Probably 80s, 90s toys. I have quite a bit, and I saw this and I was like, hey, a little bit of yellowing. There's some cool ones in there. We got a Green Ranger. If we can start all these for $1, we're already well into the profit. But then, tell me what you think about this item. This new, never used Hunchback of Notre Dame Esmeralda. It's like a little egg crate mattress, like a kid's mattress. We cannot find anything on this. It's from the 90s. It's, you know, pretty old. You can see it's never been used. It was still in the bag. We still have the bag with it. I don't know what we should list this for. Sleeping bags were going like $35, pre-owned, things like that. I don't know if we've got something pretty rare, one of a kind. It's in great shape. I don't know. Drop a comment. What would you throw this up for? Do we got something for $10, $30, $40, $50, you know, even higher? I have no idea. We were fine spending $4. We said, we'll give it to our daughter if it was worth nothing. But we might have a pretty rare piece here. But that's what we love about yard sales, finding those items that we can flip for a profit. It's helping us, you know, pay our bills, feed our family. We got some other expenditures, you know. We're down to one vehicle. I got to work on the truck, Big Red Fred, if you know his name. And then until I can get to that one, I got to do some work on the SUV. So we're trying to sell this stuff off. Join us on Whatnot. We're doing constant shows on Whatnot, giving great deals. I'll drop a link down below. You definitely want to come check us out. We're going to be scheduling probably 1 to 2 shows a week. Hey, when we have the inventory, we want to make some money, get these things taken care of. I want to jump back in storage units. If you like those kind of videos, let me know. But thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. We appreciate you so much. We love you. Can't wait to talk to you again. Like I said, I try to respond to all the comments. So definitely drop one below. God bless you. Bye.